Welcome back. During automatic routing without a route, iTrain has complete control of the train. It decides its own route using stations as waypoints to navigate via and to wait at. In the following episodes, we look at a new way in which we can determine how a train treats the next stations along its route, providing greater variety and added interest to iTrain's routing capabilities when running automatic routing without a route. When we open the properties for a station, there is now a new tab called Permissions, in which all the stations on the layout are listed. The column called Allowance is used to specify how the train, after waiting in the current station, then treats each of the stations listed. Allow means the train is able to use that station to wait in or to pass through without waiting. Pass means the train can only use that station to pass through, but not to wait in. And forbid means the train will completely avoid that station and will not even pass through it. It works like this. When a train stops and waits in a station, the current station's permissions are assigned to that train on completion of the wait. Those station permissions then affect the behaviour of the train regarding the stations listed. And that is an important difference compared to other station properties. For example, the block parameters affect the operation in the current station and remain unchanged during operation, whereas the station permissions, although assigned to the train at the current station, their effect is upon the stations ahead, and the station permissions assigned to that train can change from station to station during operation. As the train travels along the route, those station permissions assigned at the station here remain assigned to the train until it stops and waits at another station, where that station's permissions then get assigned to the train. There are many ways this can be utilised. The example in the manual describes a situation where there are a series of shadow stations or off-scene yards, one after the other. If a train stops in one station, we then don't want the train to have to stop in one of the other stations. That can be achieved using station permissions, and that is what we will do in the next episode. So until then, bye for now.